What we're showing here today is the whole platform family. I like to say we started in high payload products, right? So we have all the way from our 3,000 kg vehicle to our newest release model, which is our 250 kg, our KMP 250P. We're showing an integrated solution between all robots and all AMRs, where the 600 brings a pallet from the palletization cell to a strand handoff conveyor. That pallet then exits that strand handoff conveyor, goes to our KMP 3000 that has a dual roller pallet conveyor on it. So we can handle multiple pallet loads, whether it's an empty rack and a full rack or multiple pallets going to multiple positions. It's showing that dual capability. And then from the 3000, we go to another handoff conveyor to our KMP 1500 to come and pick up the pallet and then take that pallet back to the palletization cell.
The KUKA mobile platforms are controlled by KUKA AMR Fleet, which is the fleet manager that controls all the robots and path plans all the robots between each other. It also has direct integration into the devices that you see here with the stationary conveyors and the palletizing cell. KUKA AMR Fleet has an easy interface for operators to easily interface with the robots. It also uses node-based programming, so there is no coding involved to program the processes for the robots. With KUKA AMR Fleet, we're also showing direct communication to the devices that you see here on the floor with OPC UA and Ethernet IP, and these communication protocols are natively supported by the Fleet Manager.
The new product that we have showing here today is our KMP 250P. One cool feature about the KMP 250P, it's our first clean room rated vehicle, right? So the medical space, the electronic space. Here at MODEX, right, we're showing it's a logistics trade show, right? The reason why we're here is because we have that end-to-end solution from robot to AMR that can build that whole palletization, depalletization process, showing what it looks like coming into a facility and then what it looks like going out, right? With AMRs managing all that intralogistic process in between. Really what we have an advantage is not only our products, but the people we partner with to provide these logistics solutions. We have a couple partners here at the show this week that aren't in our booth, but they're still showing either a KUKA robot or a KUKA AMR because we use their software programs or just their integration experience that allows us to get our product into logistics and warehousing with our robots, our AMRs, and their software platforms.
Making automation easier.